Let's go over the best render settings in After Effects for Instagram. These steps will help keep your video looking sharp while keeping file sizes manageable so it uploads without losing quality. First, make sure you have your project opened, then go to File, then Export, and select Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. When Media Encoder opens, you'll see your composition in the queue. Click on the Format drop-down and set it to H.264. This format is ideal for Instagram because it balances good quality with a smaller file size. Next, select the preset labeled Match Source, High Bitrate. For Instagram, you'll want your resolution to fit their vertical video format. Change it to 1080 by 1920 if you're working with portrait content. If it's a square post, use 1080 by 1080. When it comes to encoding, you'll see two options: hardware encoding and software encoding. Hardware encoding is faster, but software encoding gives better quality. Choose based on your priorities, speed or clarity. Now, check the bitrate settings. The target bitrate determines the file size and quality. Try keeping the file size under 30 MB to avoid Instagram compressing it too much. You can adjust the target bitrate slider while watching the estimated file size to hit the sweet spot. If your system supports GPU acceleration, make sure it's enabled to speed up the render process. Once everything is set, select your output location to save the file and click the green render button to start exporting. While render settings play a huge role, remember that quality starts with your footage. Using high-quality source clips, applying subtle sharpening and enhancing your colors can make a big difference. Avoid overusing effects like blur or bloom, as they can make videos look less crisp. And that's it. With these settings and tips, your Instagram uploads will look sharp and professional. Thanks for watching.